Today I'm going to talk about how to remove Heart from Netflix account. First, open the Netflix app and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Unfortunately, you can't remove your car directly from the app. Open any browser and go to the netflix.com. Don't let it redirect you to the app. If the only website in the top left corner, tap on the tree lines, then select account. Here you will find your account details. Tap on managed payment information before you can remove the old card. Netflix requests you to add a new payment method. Tap on Add Payment Method and follow the prompts to add the new card or PayPal account. Once you have added a new payment method, you can remove the old card. Go back to Manage Payment Information and select the old card to remove it.